G'day guys, this is part 2 of the VS ute build. In this episode, we'll be cleaning the ute and getting the new wheel back on now that's been fixed. Alright, let's get this ute jacked up. Alright, so after a lot of stuffing around, I finally got the wheel to fit without hitting the jack, so. Alright, now it's time to start cleaning out the car. Alright, before I vacuum inside the car, I'll quickly just vacuum these. Alright, so I've got the mats all vacuumed up, so now it's time to get the inside all vacuumed up. Alright, that's just a little bit done. I'll get it all done, the whole cab all, well, the whole interior, I'll get that all vacuumed out, and then I'll see you once it's all vacuumed. Okay, so I haven't got much done since last time you see me. So, I vacuumed here, right? I moved the seat forwards. Look what I see at the back. Can you see that? Under that jack there, so, see? That is just, like, I don't know what they've put there, but it looks like Chewy that's been in something for 20 years. Hopefully, I have no other problems. I'll run into anything else and hopefully the rest is easy going and I'll just get it all vacuumed out. Alright, it's a fair few hours later now. So I've been stuck into cleaning. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Yeah, vacuumed it all. So there was actually, this isn't mounted in properly yet. I need to make up some plates for in there, which I'll do off camera. And yeah, I picked out so much money from in there. Look at all the money, there's just money there, money, more money, like there's just so much money. Alright, so this box has got the money I found and a few other random things from the car, like the gear shift knob or whatever. So I've got $10. This is all I found in the car, so $10 and then all that. I'm not counting all that though, because I'll be there all day. But so there was like over here in there was like heaps of like leaves and stuff. So check out this fitting I've made. It works a treat. Alright, I'm driving out to the wash bay. Yeah, so it's time to give it a wash. I'll see you when I'm there. Alright, so I've been scrubbing away at this stuff. It is like, it's like rubber, a bit like clay in a way. It looks like clay, but it's like friggin' hard to get off. But the Ecotech badges are better on the VZ, so I've got this, and I guess I'll go take them off the VZ. I didn't end up filming much of me washing the ute because the wind was crazy and it took a lot longer than I thought. But this is how the ute turned out. Alright, now that the ute's been cleaned, it's time to start polishing. This is a bit of polished and this is unpolished. As you can see, there's a huge difference. Alright, it's time to get this ute fully polished. Alright, as you can see, the bonnet's starting to actually look really good. So, as you can see, polished, unpolished. So, it's starting to actually come up not bad. Look, this is a polish I'm using. I'll quickly just grab it. Just this stuff here, polyglaze. It's ancient, like it is proper ancient, but it's working. Yeah, so yeah, not looking too bad. I'll get stuck back into it and yeah, get the bonnet all done. Righto, so I've finished the bonnet, right? So it's all polished. To be honest, I think I've made it worse because I've polished the bit to make it look shinier. But if anything, it's just made it look more obvious, like where the clear coat's like completely gone. So look how dirty that is, absolutely shocking. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to respray the bonnet eventually because that's shocking. Yep, so the bonnet's really the only thing that's got like bad paint. Like, if you have a look at the roof, not too bad. Obviously the tub's not gonna be perfect because like stuff's like rubbed along there and stuff, but yep, so I guess I'll just polish the rest of the ute and hope it turns out a lot better than the bonnet did. Alright, so I'm halfway done with the roof, so you can see that's undone and this is done, well polished. So the roof is coming up a lot nicer than the bonnet did. So here's kind of a way I can show you how like shiny it is. So if I push the rag on that, like that, see it's slidey, where if I go on here and I push it, here I push it, like it doesn't, like the shiny surface at one, oh shit, I've lost it now. But yeah, so pretty much it's coming up a lot nicer on the roof. Because, yeah, I think that because how buggered the clear coat is down there, it's just like come up not so good compared to like the roof, how there's clear coats like on it. Which is looking good now. Alright, so I've hit this with the poly glaze, which is a polish. I've got a rag. And if I just wipe the rest of the polish off, as you can see, it's actually coming up really nice. So I'll get the rest of the roof done. I'll see you once it's done. Before I show you the ute all polished, these are my other cars. So I've got this VT wagon with a VZ front end, and it's just got stock Ecotech in it. I've also got this VS skid car with a stock Eco, a tune, and a few other things. Comment if you want a full rundown on the skidder. I've also got this VZ with just a alloy tech in it. Yeah, this is basically just my parts car. Alright, that's enough about my other cars. This is how the ute looks now that's been polished. Alright, so I've got the ute all polished up, so yeah, the roof came out actually really good, which I'm happy about, but the bonnet on the other hand came out absolutely terrible. Well, like, it polished up nicely like on spots like here, but on spots like that, but then like over here where the clear coat's completely buggered, it's just made it look even worse, but should be right. I'll just have to eventually give the bonnet a respray, but yeah, besides that, the ute's looking pretty good now. I also got a few presents for the ute. But yeah, it's not looking bad at all. Also, I think these didn't come out factory with those tonneau cover pins, which is annoying because like, I don't know how I'm gonna cover them up, but this corner cap's also buggered. Also, this ute's not like a full black, it's kind of got like a green glittery kind of colour through it. I actually reckon it doesn't look too bad. You just can see like there, yeah. Yeah, I actually don't mind the colour of it. I reckon it looks good. They used to look a mint now. That's been polished. I had to buy a pack of wheel nuts because one of them was missing. But, oh well, I'll have a few spares. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll be getting the skid car ready to hit the pad soon. I've also got something in the post for it, so get keen. That's it for this video. Cheers for watching.